Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtual Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to prepare chicken and vegetable stir fry. Have you been searching for a perfect, quick and easy dinner for your family? I got your back with this chicken and vegetable stir fry. Chicken vegetable stir fry is a speedy dinner that is jam-packed with flavor. It is very easy to make, so delicious, quick to put together and healthy as well. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. The recipes we have for the chicken and vegetable stir fry are our chicken breast. You can use any other part of chicken of your choice, alright? Chicken broth, dark soya sauce, honey, corn flour, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning and salt, vegetable oil, onion, ginger, garlic, and lastly sweet yellow and red bell peppers. The only recipe left here is our sweet chili sauce and ketchup. Do bear with us when the time to use them comes. We're gonna show you, alright? Next is to prep the recipes. First of all, we prep the vegetables, which is the sweet bell peppers. You can use any color of your choice. For me, I am using yellow and red, as you can see. Garlic, ginger, onion. After which we'll also prep the chicken breast as well. And the chicken breast stands as our key or basic recipe for today's menu. Have you liked this video yet? Please, if no, please do hit the like button to encourage us as you keep watching. Since all the recipes has been prepped, next is to season the chicken. Here I got the prepped chicken breast, and I'll be seasoning with minced garlic, ginger, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, honey, vegetable oil, dark soya sauce, and cornstarch. Mix to combine, after which cover with a plastic film to marinate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour if you have all the time. Next is to create the slurry. As you can see, I got my chicken broth here already, of which I'll be adding some cornstarch and then mix very well to combine. Please note that this particular part is totally optional, alright, and once I'm done doing this, I will set it aside. Next is to place a wok on the heat and add a little vegetable oil to preheat, and then add the marinated chicken to fry. Please note that we cook this particular recipe with a medium to high heat. We don't cook this particular recipe with a low heat. If you cook the chicken with a low heat, the chicken will come out soggy, which is not really what we want. Allow the chicken to cook on each side for 2 minutes, and then our chicken is ready. I will repeat the process until all the chicken I marinated will finish. Have you hit the like button of this video? Please, if you have not hit the like button of this video, hit the like button to encourage us in your little way. I want to tell you that the like button of YouTube is totally free. They don't charge any money for it. All right, keep watching. Now that the chicken is stir fry, in the same wok used to fry the chicken, add a little vegetable oil. But while the oil you use to fry the chicken is still remaining in the wok, please don't bother about adding any other vegetable oil. Once the oil is preheated, add the minced ginger and garlic, followed by the all-purpose seasoning and black pepper, after which fry for about 2 minutes to combine. Please note that on this recipe we don't use low heat, we use medium to high heat, alright, because it is stir fry, for it to come out as crunchy as you want. Next is to add the onion, followed by the sweet bell peppers. I am using a combination of red and yellow. You can use any color of your choice, and I will allow the vegetable to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, after which I will add the slurry, which is the combination of chicken broth and cornstarch. Stir to combine and allow it for a while, then add the fried chicken and stir very well to combine. And here our chicken and vegetable stir fry is almost ready. Yeah. Once the vegetable and chicken is well combined, add the sweet chili sauce and ketchup, then stir very well to combine once more, after which allow the chicken stir fry to simmer on a low heat for at least 2 minutes. After steaming on a low heat for 2 minutes, let's check and balance the taste, and I found out that the chicken and vegetable stir fry is absolutely perfect and so delicious to go. On this Joshua Virtuous family, our chicken and vegetable stir fry, our best, perfect, easy and quick chicken and vegetable stir fry is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Virtuous family, my joy with this chicken and vegetable stir fry is that my kids and Chinese church friends that I invited over for a dinner really love it, and we enjoy it with a turmeric rice. You can as well enjoy this chicken and vegetable stir fry with some boiled white rice. Hope you enjoyed this video just as we like and enjoy bringing them at your doorstep. Please, if you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, try the recipe as well, and give us your feedback on all our social media handles. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share the video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today's video from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.